Guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on how to download a skin script injector. First, go to Play Store, and then search Zarchiver. As you can see, install this app. After install it, go to YouTube and then search hand script. Press his channel, credits to this guy, press video, and then press what skin you want. Press read more, and then press the script skin Leslie. After you press it, wait 10 seconds. And then download file. I'm eating, guys. Press download file again. Details. Then press the skin or script. Open with Zarchiver. Long press. Copy. After this, press the button here. Can you see the white dot? Press that button. After that, press this. Only the name. Extract here. Apply all files. Replace. After that, long press. Copy. Press the default plus logo Leslie Aspirant. Then press the dot again. Not the white dot, just press the this. Can you see the white dot? Press this. And then press 3 dot. As you can see, 3 dot. Multi-select. And then select all of them, but not the 2 dots. And if there is a document, don't select that. Just select Art, Audio, UI, and the default logo Leslie Aspirant. After that, long press the default logo Leslie Aspirant, or long press UI, or long press Audio, or long press Art. You can long press anything except for the 2 dots. No, multi-select again. Multi-select. Yep, I'm pretty sure. Long press anything but except for the 2 dots. And then copy. Press you see the X next to it, there's a name. Press that name. After that, device storage. Press device storage, Android data, and then scroll down until you see the mobile Mobile Legends. Press that, and then press files. Press Dragon 2017. Press assets. Then press the button. You can see the white button. Press this thing. After that, press apply or to all files. I mean files, and then replace. There you go. And here's the proof. Not Roblox. Here's the proof. That's proof. That was my little sister. We're Filipino. Yeah, I'm getting her food. I mean, is it her or he? I think it's her. I'm gonna show the fruit. Here's the proof. As you can see, my Leslie, look. As you can see,
Overwhelming force is the only thing the Enders understand. Overwhelming force is the only thing the...
see? It's true. It's not it, guys. Here's the proof. Yep, that's the proof. Let me show you the gameplay.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! Did this just come in from R&D? Did this just come in from R&D? Blood. Distance is just an... Lane ahead is beyond my reach. End of the line. Spree. You never stood a chance, Ender. Engaging stealth. Locked on. End of the line. Kill. Repulsor.
That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.